Making clickable Instagram story is pretty easy actually. All you need to do is what you need to go just open your Instagram app. It's so simple. It could be anything, it could be iPhone or Android. It works same on both. Just open your Instagram and open your Instagram story. Upload your story. It could be images, content or any kind of stuff. Now click on the sticker tool of your top navigation bar. Now here you need to click on the link sticker to add your desired link. Okay, so here you can see on the screen a sticker where you can see link, location, hashtag, mention, and other stuff. You can even upload music here. Just above the question one, you can see the link. Just right side of the poll one, click on that, upload your link, and then share to your story. You can share it to close friends story. It will work all the way. So this was how you can upload your Instagram story in a simple way. Instagram is a really popular app when it comes to social media interaction. It has billions of users and it's from Meta. And I'll see you in the next one.